Some months ago, I had the delight of teaching, wait for it, 47 4 to 11-year-olds how to do something, and I was absolutely fair flummoxed. And I had an idea, and I wondered if they could make a handbag. And this will give you a lovely bag with a flat bottom. I mean, oh, to have a flat bottom. One of the big problems as one gets older, one's bottom is no longer quite so flat. And there is your flat bottomed bag. Think on a little bit. You could do it in any fabric you liked. Little one here done in blue with the hand on the front and the other half of the hand on the back. But notice this rather nice indentation. It's textured and it gives you a flat bottom to your bag with just 2 seams. You could be even more adventurous and perhaps embellish the hand. And on here we've got one of those gemstones stuck on.